everybody. So today we're at Walt Disney World.
Because it's my birthday!
Yes, because it's your birthday. Checking out the newest addition to the Disney Vacation Club Resorts, Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge.
Because it's my birthday.
Yes. Got our room.
All right, let's do it.
Oh yeah. We've actually been in the room already for like 2 hours. We're just pretending that it's like the reveal.
Yeah, first time. All right.
Ooh.
It smells like a Disney room in here.
Gotta have that Disney room smell.
That's right.
Entryway.
Uh-huh.
Ta-da. Closet.
Nice. Ironing board.
Yep.
That's important.
I mean,
Because everybody irons on vacation, right?
no. You see how many dads out there with like really wrinkly shirts? So we've been on a fixer-upper kick.
Uh-huh.
And this is definitely one of the pieces that people love to talk about.
Totally. It's the barn door
The barn door.
on the rollers. It's actually really cool. It's big.
It's Victoria.
Yeah.
So it rolls all the way and reveals into the bathroom with a really cool countertop. It's got sparkles.
Sparkly.
It's got
Sparkly.
sparkles.
Yeah.
Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle,
Sparkle.
sparkle. With like this cool black, like rustic
Yeah.
look.
They give you all of the
best.
H2O Disney amenities there.
Yep. And we have these cool little dangles.
Yeah, it's this whole kind of craftsman style here, like the rest of the lodge.
Rustic
Yeah.
kind of look, which I dig.
It's got these pocket doors. Pocket doors are cool.
Yeah, I like because you go, oh, how do I close this? How do I? Oh, okay, cool, thanks. Toilet.
Mm-hmm. It's got totem poles.
Totem poles. I don't know why I'm saying everything with weird syllables. Okay, this is a pretty spiffy shower.
Yeah, it is.
Big old thick glass door.
And they got that rain head up there, which that's my favorite element.
Yeah, they have that at the Polynesian villas as well.
Yep.
It's kind of a favorite.
Oh look, more.
Oh, I know.
Oh, they give us double.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yep.
You know why? Because it's my birthday.
Serve. They always come with a little kitchenette.
Yep.
Even in the studios, which is what we have.
Yeah.
Microwave, coffee maker,
Brought to us by our good friends at GE. The pantry
pantry.
pulls out, so you can put things in there,
We already put a few things.
and then forget about them and accidentally leave them in the
Yeah, that might happen.
secret compartment.
And the mini fridge.
There
It's
it
a
is.
nice mini fridge.
Yeah. There you go. There it is.
Yep.
All right.
Great.
Add coffee.
And coffee. These beams.
Oh yes.
The wood beams that kind of contrast between the white walls.
Yes.
And then you make your way to the bed area. Kind of looks like the Iron Throne. That wood.
Kind of, yeah.
So it's the wood throne. Nice sitting area. This cool oblong wood carved mirror.
Yeah, that's very cool. Table
And
for two.
That's it. They have neat little logos for all the areas of Wilderness Lodge.
Oh yeah.
Copper Creek.
That's us. Giant TV here.
Yeah, this is really neat.
Yeah.
These,
The little console down here.
yeah, different colored drawers, and each drawer has a different handle. And the little sitting area, the couch, which I'm assuming is a pull-out, like all the studios.
Yes. So you could actually sleep 4 people in here.
And this particular villa is smaller than most DVC villas.
Especially compared to like the Polynesian, which their studios are
Yeah.
the biggest DVC villas out there, I believe.
It's a table.
Whoa, that's cool.
I just. It's
Oh,
table.
nice.
It's table / storage.
It's like a TV tray right out of the
This is
coffee
what we
table
need
there.
at home.
Seriously.
Boop.
This is our little patio out here.
This is really cute.
Boulder Ridge is out that way. That's the original DVC section of this resort. But we are in Copper Creek, which are the converted rooms here in the main lodge building.
Bunny!
Where?
Sorry. I was hoping I would see a bunny. I love them. This is my first time on this resort.
Well, you're in for a treat.
I'm excited. Outdoor bar area here at Boulder Ridge Lodge, which is like facing water, and it kind of has a cool like barn sort of feel with the wood. It's really awesome.
You get a nice view with your drink and dinner. And there's duckies. That was the boat, not the ducks.
I'm gonna get you.
No, 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 no. One of the favorite pastimes of staying at Disney resorts, of course, is marshmallow roasting.
Blow it out! Sorry, we're gonna take it. That's okay.
How's it going?
It's good.
Yeah?
I don't want to tip too close. I want it to roast nice and smooth. Look at that perfect marshmallow.
Perfectly
She even
golden,
said so.
crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside.
Oh, yes, mush. Mush. Oh, is it so good?
Free.
Whoa.
Complimentary.
At Disney?
Yeah, that never happens.
Arcade!
Arcade, yay!
All kinds of fun games. Unfortunately, there's no tickets or prize counter or anything like that, but it's still fun.
So this is the main pool here at Wilderness Lodge. The cool thing about it is the pool actually starts in the lobby, and it runs outside and trickles down and becomes a waterfall you see out there in the background, and then runs down into the pool. Some nice hot tubs. They are empty, that's unusual. And you got a kids splash area over there. That looks like a lot of fun.
This is the second of the two pools here at Wilderness Lodge. This is over by Boulder Ridge. So this is the smaller pool. It doesn't have a water slide like the other one does over by the main lobby, but it does have these cabanas here off to the side, which are really cool. Great place to hang out by the pool for the day.
They have a place called Salon by the streams. It's like a little spa.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at all the nails you can do. That's awesome.
Oh, you get yourself some Mickey nails.
That's only $30 for a full set. That's not bad.
Hair services, massage services, skincare, nails, lots of stuff.
Awesome.
One of the cool things here is they have this complete recreation of an actual geyser. It's very reminiscent of Old Faithful. Goes off every hour on the hour. This is also a great place to stand if you need to get a shower. Got the dock right here where you can rent boats, take them out on Bay Lake.
How cool. This is pretty.
And here's some of the new cabins. They're all waterfront cabins right along the lake. So this heads off to the brand new cabins.
Oh, look at them.
And those things are gorgeous inside. They're incredibly expensive, or if you're a DVC member, they're a heck of a lot of points. But they are all lakefront cabins. They all have their own private hot tub and full kitchen inside, I think a couple of bedrooms. Really, really nice. Heading through the lobby here to check out Whispering Canyon Cafe. Whispering Canyon. We're checking out the Whispering Canyon Cafe. It is a classic favorite here at the lodge. So I chose it for my birthday dinner. which is definitely what we're doing. There it is, the skillet. They just brought it out.
Oh god.
Oh, it looks so good. Whatever you do, don't ask for ketchup. Somebody got put in jail for stealing ketchup.
Oh, is that what it is?
How dare he? So the lobby here at Wilderness Lodge is very impressive. It just goes up and up and up. And they have all these gorgeous handcrafted totem poles. All these giant log supports that go all the way up to the ceiling. If you look closely at them, they have little critters carved into each one of them. There's just so much detail everywhere. One of the favorite features here in the lobby is this fireplace that goes all the way up to the ceiling. It's layered after the Grand Canyon. 82 layers of rock. And they're all accurate to actually what you find in the Grand Canyon. And even though it's summertime, they still have the roaring fire going just for the authenticity of the lodge-like cabin feel. And of course, Walt Disney loved trains, so since this whole resort is modeled after the Pacific Northwest, they have lots of nods to the old railroads and everything. This is right here in the lobby, one of these old pump train cars. And then we got this awesome totem pole right here. This is right outside the store. And they actually sell little replicas of these in the gift shop.
And we own one.
We do. So even in the gift shop, they have a roaring fire going. That's dedication to the theming right there. It's 90 degrees outside. And yet, here we are.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chillin'. Wait, that's not right.
This is one of the coolest things here. Right in the lobby, they have this bubbling spring. It's right here indoors, which leads up to this footbridge. The water flows underneath and goes outside, all the way out, over a waterfall, and then actually becomes the pool. So here on the other side of the footbridge has become kind of an unofficial wishing well. You can see all the coins sitting in here.
Can I make a wish?
Yeah.
What you got?
I got this dime that we found yesterday.
Where did we find it? Oh, in the water park.
Yeah, at Typhoon
It's
Lagoon.
good luck.
Yeah.
Yay! Can I do it?
Yep, that's it.
My wish come true?
Probably. I think that's how it works.
Great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Boulder Ridge, this is the other Disney Vacation Club section. Copper Creek is the new section that just opened last year. Boulder Ridge is the original Disney Vacation Club section that opened, I want to say it was early 2000s. So 2000-ish, somewhere around there. Sturdy Branches Health Club.
Sturdy branch.
For if your branches need sturdying. Obviously a fitness center, you want to go ahead and use all the exercise equipment while you're on your vacation at Disney World.
Yeah, no.
Some people like to do that, I understand. So
Yeah, I don't know anybody like that.
that's an awesome benefit for those people. Welcome home, members. This is the Boulder Ridge building. It has its own mini lobby up here. Of course, not nearly as large as the main lobby over in the big lodge, but still very impressive nonetheless.
Because I am so cold.
That 95 degrees outside has you chilled to the bone. Gotta warm up by the fire. This whole area seems to be heavily themed to the railroad. Carolwood Pacific. That was Walt Disney's train.
An original 35mm motion picture negative imprint of Walt Disney running his Carol Pacific train.
This whole room is filled with memorabilia of Walt and his love for trains.
These are actual train cars from Walt Disney's Carol Pacific Railroad that he built in his backyard.
So Walt Disney actually rode around on these
Yeah,
in his backyard.
that's amazing.
And you can find them right here.
Boulder Ridge.
Boulder Ridge, Wilderness Lodge. That's awesome. That's very cool.
That's really awesome.
So that's all we got, but there's always more Disney magic up ahead.
Yep, we had a great time.
All in all, Wilderness Lodge is awesome.
Yeah.
Whether you're staying at Copper Creek, which is where we stayed, the new DVC section, or Boulder Ridge, which is the old DVC section, or the traditional lodge, the original Wilderness Lodge, it's all very, very cool. And the resort has all the stuff that you typically get from a Disney resort. You know, they have the s'mores at night, which we got to do.
There's movies under the stars,
Yep.
and they've got activities where you can do tie-dye shirts.
Yep, watercraft rentals,
Yeah.
sunrise yoga, just all kinds of stuff that you would expect to find. So
Yeah.
that's all great.
Thanks for watching. Please
Yep.
subscribe,
Like and subscribe.
tell your friends.
Do all that fun stuff.
And don't forget to wear your sunscreen.
Always.
Do
always
it,
wear sunscreen.
Please.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye.